In this tutorial, we are going to make this version of our paper peony or peony. Yeah, we're going to make like this version with this like kind of metallic off-white color. So this will be like the freestanding version of like the Neutrala color scheme, so neutrals. Anyway, this video will not be as detailed as this video, so if you want like a very detailed one where I talk a lot and explain some things, some techniques, then check out the video that we just linked up on top. But if you want like a quicker one that, you know, you just like see what's happening, then go and proceed and watch this video. Anyway, so the first step, of course, would be prepping the petals. So let's go ahead and do that. I start by attaching wires on the petals. Grab the molcajete or mortar and pestle. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. The template for this flower is available on our website, dwblooms.com. The link is also listed in the description section down below. The same procedure for all the petal 1s and 2s. Now let's go ahead and do the same thing for our petal 3. We are using a larger mortar and pestle for this one. I went ahead and added the wires to the back of my petal 3s like what I did with the previous petals. Now step 2, we assemble the petals. Make 2 more sets of petal 2. Now let's do the set of petal 3s. For this project, I prepared 3 sets of petal 3s. However, in the end, I felt like I don't need the extra set. All in all, I just used 2 sets of petal 3 for this flower. If you feel like you need more petals, feel free to do 1 or 2 more sets of petals. So earlier I traced this base to this. I just forgot to show it. This is basically this, so I traced it because we need a sturdy base. I'm going to use 3/4 PVC. I eyeballed like the center of the pentagon and I just traced it, so we are going to cut this hole as well. And before I forget, I think it's easier if I'm going to attach this now. I should have attached it earlier, but then I forgot. So let's attach it now before I forget further. So this will go like at the bottom. This is like the 9th layer. Alright, before we assemble, let's do the center. So I prepped this. We'll be using 6 all in all, and yeah, let's go. Just continue adding the rest of the centers until you are able to form a big fluffy one. Step 4, we are going to assemble the flower. Let's start with the sets of petal 1. Now let's get our sets of petal 2s. Lastly, our petal 3s. As I've mentioned earlier, we initially prepped 3 sets, but we'll only be using 2. Now let's get the one with the base. Step 5, we are going to finish our flower by doing the backing or the sepal. Done with our paper peony. The PDF and SVG template is available on our website dwblooms.com. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Next, check out the tutorial on how to make the stem and bases.